Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Consumers have lots of choices when it comes to webcams, and there are some good bargains out there. Targus has entered the category with two HD webcams that work well with the company's new headsets for online conferencing. There's a fixed focus webcam for under $40 and an autofocus model for under $60. It automatically adjusts for movement or close-ups. Also new and smart from Targus is the Sagano EcoSmart Collection of backpacks, made from recycled plastic bundles. Back on the webcam front, the new Creative Live Cam Sync V3 2K features 4 zoom modes that can be very useful, a flip-down privacy lens cap, and technology to reduce background sounds picked up by the 2 built-in mics. And the price is about $50. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.